I'll start. Are you ready, kids? Ready? One, go! Hi, Isha.
Hi, Baba.
What are you doing?
Look at
What is this? This is sky. Ishal, this is sky.
this. You're showing
Ishal, where are you? Where are you going? You're going in the sky?
Yes.
Okay, hello Adina. Hello Adina. Okay, what are you doing?
Look at this.
Oh my God, this is cloud.
Oh, yes.
Where are you going?
We're going in the sky.
For what? You want to see stars?
Yes.
Stars come in night, dear. This is daytime.
So what's the
Maybe you find some clouds.
Oh,
And what about mountains?
yes.
Do you like mountains?
Yes.
Okay. So go!
Yes.
Go!